In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView Premium for free. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool for traders, offering a wide range of features to help you analyze the markets and make informed decisions. The premium plan takes those capabilities to the next level, providing enhanced charting options, advanced alerts, and a generally smoother experience. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get a taste of all these features absolutely free for 30 days. First, let's navigate to TradingView's pricing page. Since TradingView offers different subscription plans, you want to ensure you're selecting the premium plan for this trial. Once you're on the pricing page, keep an eye out for the option that's labeled Try Free for 30 Days underneath the Premium Plan section. This is your gateway to experiencing all the advanced features without any immediate cost. Go ahead and click on this option to get started. Once you've clicked that button, you'll need to either log into your existing TradingView account or create a new one if you haven't yet done so. If you're creating a new account, fill in the required details such as your email address and a secure password. If you already have an account, simply enter your login information. Creating an account is straightforward, and TradingView ensures that your details remain secure. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves entering your payment information. This might seem a bit intimidating if you're aiming for a free trial, but don't worry, this is just a standard process. TradingView needs either your credit card details or your PayPal account information to proceed with the trial. So, carefully enter the necessary information to facilitate this process. It's important to note here that TradingView can place a temporary authorization of $1 on your chosen payment method. This is a common practice for online services, mainly used to verify the validity of your payment details. Rest assured, this authorization charge is not an actual fee and will be refunded to you shortly thereafter. And there you have it. A seamless process to enjoy TradingView's premium features without making a payment up front. Just remember, at the conclusion of the 30-day trial period, you'll need to cancel the subscription if you're not planning to continue with the premium service to avoid being charged. Enjoy exploring all those advanced features and tools that come with the premium plan. Whether it's enhanced chart layouts, custom timeframes, or advanced alerts, the premium plan offers an impressive suite of tools to elevate your trading experience. So, take full advantage of this opportunity and see how these features can aid your trading strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy